Welcome to Study Loop.
So we have real images and virtual images. Now the simple answer is both kinds of images can be produced by both kinds of lenses, converging and diverging. For real images to be produced by a converging lens, you need to have your object beyond the focal length. If this is your focal point, your object would have to be somewhere over here. The light rays would come out of the object and converge at a point beyond the length, and that would be a real image. And what about a diverging lens? For a diverging lens, the object would have to be the object would have to be virtual. The light rays would have to come in something like this, and they would have intersected here, cause forming the object. But because of the diverging lens, they diffract away, and the image is formed somewhere over here, which would be a real image. Now, how about virtual images? With converging lens, a virtual image can be formed by having it at a distance less than the focal length. If the object were here, the object, the light rays would diffract very strongly, and the image would form somewhere else. So these light rays would converge somewhere else beyond, and this would be a virtual image. Now, what about diverging lens? For a diverging lens, it is very simple. If you simply have an object somewhere far away beyond the focal length, the light rays would diverge and the image formed would simply be virtual. You would simply retrace the steps, and this would be the virtual image.